Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I'm really sorry for my absence, but there has been various reasons which I'm sure a lot of you know about. I'm not going to go into now, but I'm back and I've got an unboxing, and it is a wax melt subscription box, and it's from Teddy Eva Scents. They are a relatively new company. I found them because the people that run it are people that I follow on Instagram. It's Is a Blog, Ross, and Is a Mum, Rachel. And the Instagrams for everything will be linked down below, Teddy Eva Scents. And they contacted me. We chat quite a lot. And they said, did I want to unbox a box? And I was like, yes please, that would be amazing. I love wax melts, I love subscription boxes. So I thought we'd give it a go. It arrived today and I want to just get on and do it because my house stinks. The kids here all the time and Ben here all the time. I need as many wax melts as I can get. So the subscription box costs $14.99. I've got my laptop over there. $14.99 a month. You get 4 85-gram clamshells. Occasional exclusively themed boxes, access to giveaways, occasional added extras, and bonus Teddy points every 3 months. And you get close friends on Instagram for bonus content. They are soy wax melts. What else do you need to know? You can give it as a gift if you want to. What else? Let me see. Bear with me in my unprofessionalism. Da 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 da. Yeah, if you want to give it as a gift, just put there someone else's address and you can send it. Contact them on Instagram or via emails or however they want you to on the website, and they'll be able to help you out. And after your first box, you can cancel at any time. So let's get into this motherfucker. Where is the tape? Am I being thick? Is there no tape? Is there no tape? There's tape. I'm being thick. Good job, Lucy. You can see I've not been doing anything for a while. Oh. Ah, so welcome to the Teddy Eva Sweet Shop. Oh, I think there's sweets in it. It says, hi Lucy, hope all is well and we hope you enjoy the sweet box. Feel free to hide away and eat all the sweets alone, up to you. And people can have 10% off their first box using the code Lucy10. Much love and stay safe, Ross and Rachel, which is really nice. And I think the kids, they've got Archie, who is a little baby, who's similar age to Fox. And then they've got Isabel, who I think is 2. And Teddy and Eva are their middle names. So I think this is what this is, which is super cute. So let's get in. Oh, there is sweets in here. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Okay. I'm just gonna, oh my god, there's shitloads of sweets in here. We're not here. I'm gonna do the sweets afterwards. So, the first one is jelly bean. Oh my god, how fucking cute are these? Look. I've never seen a wax melt like that. And I am a wax melt whore. Oh my god, it smells amazing. So it's like an orangey colour on the top, and then underneath, it's all different colours. I love that. I've never seen that before in wax melts, and I've literally got a shit ton. That's awesome. I love that. That smells really good. Pear drops. Oh my god, this is the same. It's like mind blown with the 2 different colours. So this is pear drops. Oh my god, I want to eat that. I literally just nearly licked that. Oh my god, that smells so good. So I just thought as well the burn times. I'll find the burn times on the website and put it on because I know people always want to know that stuff. Oh my goodness, these smell so good. I literally nearly licked that. That would have been embarrassing. Lemon sherbet. I love the theme. I was not expecting sweets in there. Very exciting. Oh my god, these are so good. They smell so nice. It's taking every ounce of willpower not to just lick it. I won't, but I want to. Literally, it's making my mouth water because it smells like lemon sweets. I don't know what I'm going to burn first. Rhubarb and custard is my favourite. Rhubarb and custard. Please be good. Get out! Oh. I want to get it out and look at it. Oh shit, I just broke it. I know you meant to break it, but look, so they just pop out like that. That is so cool. Oh, I want to live in there. They literally just smell like sweets. How have they made them smell like sweets? They're so good. They're amazing. So you get 4, they are big wax melters. So each one, I use the little, I've got 2 big wax melt burners where I put, oh, didn't just drop that, where I'd put probably 2 of them in. But most of my wax melts are like little ones. Let me find one and see how big it, or how many it will take. I think it'll only take 1. Wait there. So I can't find that one, but I've got a really big one. And I think, again, I think I'd probably only put 1 in there. So you would get a lot. Which one did I open already? The rhubarb and custard one. Did I open this one? Here. Because they are big chunks. Yeah, I would just put one in there. This is a wax melter. If you didn't know what wax melters are, you just put a tea light in there. I'm sure everybody knows what a wax melter is, but you never know. So yeah, that is the wax melts. They are amazing. I'll put my discount code on the screen. I'm just gonna have a quick look at the sweets. So rainbow drops. White chocolate mice bar. Yummers. What is that? Oh my god, it's a jelly hot dog. That's hilarious. Sherbet cola tubs. Oh, this is getting, oh, there's sour stuff. I fucking love sour stuff. This is getting in my face. Tango popping candy. Apple flavour. The kids are not having that. Just do ASMR. We're not here to talk about popping candy. There is more sweets in here as well, look. That's amazing. Oh, and love heart. That is so good. This is $14.99. You can get 10% off with a discount code. And you get, there's one on the floor, but you get 4 massive 85-gram clamshells with lovely, lovely flavours. I think, although rhubarb and custard are my favourite sweets in the world, I think the lemon sherbet is the one that like, I would genuinely, if that was in front of me, would think that was a lemon sherbet sweet. I wouldn't think it was a wax melt. So good. So yeah, thank you to Teddy Eva Scents to send me this, because it's just lovely of you. Yeah, I think that's really cool. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys. I don't know what next month's theme is. If I can find out what next month's theme is, I'll put that on the screen as well, or link it down below for you guys. I don't know if they've released that or not yet. I haven't really been on Instagram very much in the last week, but I will have a look, and if I can find out, I will put it on for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. If you like these videos, you know what to do. Subscribe. I really want to get to 10k. Go on. I think I'm like nearly at 8. Go on. Just, it doesn't take any time. Just hit the bonk it somewhere. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.